setting the ribbing. This is the blade guard and the ribbing knife. They are normally secured in this slot here, directly behind the rail, the inboard rail. Now to set it, I would remove the blade guard. And using a straight edge and the blade, so you would have the blade in place. I would use the rear side. So with the blade in place, like so, I would have this up against the back side of the blade, and then I would mount this up against it so it's nice and flush. Once it's flushed, I would go ahead and secure the screws. Okay. And you only have to do this initially when you first install the riving knife. So that's one. Once that's nice and taut and this is up against, it's flush here, there's no air gap. You may have to adjust the vertical alignment by bending it in or out.